This is Waiter AI. This AI will assist you to identify the menu. For example, what is the price of chicken fried rice? What is the price of chicken noodles? Like that. We will try chicken fried rice price. Then it will call the AI model. We got the answer. Another try. We got the answer. We got the answer. Then, because we are feeding prices to AI model, then it will give the answer. Here are chatbot answers. I asked chicken fried rice price. Then it gave chicken fried rice is 1,250 rupees. Then I asked chicken kottu price. It gave an answer. Chicken kottu is 1,000 rupees. For this, I use OpenRouter website. We can get we can get an API key for models using this. I have already get a one. Then I don't use this button. Then we have a lot of models in this website. There are very famous models. We have to select test models because this is for test creation because this AI robot will give us price of each item what we ask. There are free models. I have used I have used free model here. There are paid models also. If we are using a paid model, then retrieving will be fast, and we could get more fast and accurate data. Free models are also giving accurate data, no doubt. Here I am using Laravel for this to build this nice front end. Here we have web.php. We have two routes. One is to view this nice UI. Other is to handle this send button. Then here is chatbot controller. In this chatbot controller, this is the UI, getting UI chatbot.index. We are going chatbot index. Here I use Bootstrap. Here we have the UI, nice UI. It is here. When I click send button, it will go to send function. Here is the send function. Here then I get this input. I get this input. Here there is a call inside this send function. We are calling /chat. It is going to this. It is going to this function. Okay. In this function, there is a system prompt. Using system prompts, we add the basic. We add the basic. That means who are you? You model what you are appearing like. Here you are waiter AI, a friendly restaurant assistant. Here there are responsibilities of this this model. Then we at the menu. Here menu. Then we are using item table in the database. I can show you this item table. Here there is a migration. I have built a table, name, description, file, price. Then there is a seeder. I feed this basic information, check prices of items in menu. Here I get those items and I add it to menu. Then I add it to system prompt. This is the calling of OpenAI router. Here we have API key, it's inside env. Then we have model, it's inside env. Then we have prompt message as it is inside message and our message, what we are asking. Then here we get the response from OpenRouter. Then we get the content. Then we return the content. Here this is our send function inside blade template. The blade inside blade template. This is a JavaScript function. Then we get this using this data, the data variable. We get this answer. Then we display data as bot's reply. This is the AI what I built free using OpenRouter and Laravel. Feel free to ask any question in comment section. Have a nice day. Please subscribe my channel